So I have the Garmin Forerunner 255, and I'll be showing you how to find your phone using your watch. So let's say you've misplaced your phone and you want to use your watch, which is your paired watch, to actually find your phone. Now, of course, the phone has to be within Bluetooth range for this to work. And all you need to do is press the light button for a couple of seconds, maybe 1 or 2, until this menu appears, maybe 1 or 2 seconds max, okay? And then you want to use either this button or this button to scroll. So let me just scroll, and basically you're scrolling to get to the Find My Phone application. Okay, so scroll, scroll, scroll until you get to Find My Phone. So there's the Find My Phone application, and when you press this, your phone, if it's within Bluetooth range, it should start ringing at a loud volume. So let me try it. So press this. And as soon as you go to the Garmin Connect application, the Find My Phone sound will stop ringing, and you found your phone. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.